Hey guys, this is Greg with Fit for Expedition. We are entering Bombay Beach, right along the banks of the Salton Sea. Used to be a one-time resort area. I guess it's still kind of a touristy area, and we're gonna go see what there is to see.
Hey, this is Marshall with Mellow Nomadic Adventures, and if you're looking for Fit for Expedition, you found him.
Salton Sea Recreation Area. It used to be quite the tourist spot. It was quite the little resort kind of town, and they had high hopes and big dreams for the area. The water has receded quite a bit, I believe. Ron sees America?
No way.
What the heck?
No way you saw Ron sees America.
What the heck are you doing here?
Way.
Seeing America?
Yeah, I'm seeing America. What do you expect? You're liable to bump into me anywhere. We're at the Salton Sea, Greg.
Bombay Beach, I know. Ron sees America says Bombay Beach is like an upscale slab city. Let's get Bombay Beach cocktails and home cooking. So check this out that we found. This is called the Bombay Beach TVs. Well, there's a Venmo account at Bombay Beach TVs. Pretty cool. So we've seen TV art in Slab City, and this is a little different. This actually has images instead of writing on it, instead of text. It's pretty cool stuff. VHS. I actually own one of those still. Flat screen. A little modernization. And there's some TVs that have been donated, I'm sure, for the project. And this one's got something on the back of the TV. It looks kind of like Bigfoot. I'm not sure. I got my eye on you. Is this thing on? Is this thing on? All right. So if you're interested in buying, this is for sale by Dick. 442-345 Dick. Now, I have a feeling that's not a real number. Actually has an outhouse on the location. That's kind of interesting. So we're still in Bombay Beach. We're still in Salton Sea area, checking out these buildings, and they're not much of buildings. There's not much left of them. Looks like somebody's probably shacked out in here a few times. There's some cushions in here, and that's interesting. How about this? I am the American dream. I hope not. I mean, exploring these places to me is the American dream. Hey, exciting news. I got a new channel called The Abandoned Southwest, and that's where I'm going to be posting a lot of my abandoned content. So you might want to check out the link in the description of this video. So if you watch my channel, you know I do a lot of this kind of stuff. But I'm not crazy enough to go up these steps to the top. No way. There's been some recent graffiti. I can actually smell the spray paint. So kind of wish I had stickers right now. I'd put a sticker on a couple locations here if I had one. Now, I don't know what the situation is here. I don't know if it's similar to Slab City and that you can just, you know, park somewhere and not worry about it, kind of take over an area. I don't know. Don't know. Don't doubt yourself. One day you're going to look back and be proud you didn't give up. It's true. I wholeheartedly believe that. So right on the other side of that ridge is the Salton Sea. So that's what we're trying to get to. So we're at the Salton Sea, Bombay Beach, and it's like a an art installation. And I didn't realize that you can actually drive your vehicles down here pretty easily. So I'd heard people say that it stinks down here, but it does not really. It doesn't stink down here. It just smells like the ocean. You know, a lot of things, just take it with a grain of salt. No pun intended. When you hear other nomads tell you things, I wouldn't always believe it without actually experiencing it myself. Hey, if you come here, don't be afraid to drive out on the beach, because actually it's almost like concrete. In fact, I'm curious if somebody actually did spread some concrete out here to make it more traversable. We didn't do that. We parked way back here. I wish we would have. Oh, I can't believe that I came that way. I should have gone through the doorway. I mean, it makes sense. All right, let me get out of here, work my way back to the truck. Be courteous, go through the door. There we go. Hey guys, if you like the videos that we post here on the channel, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this particular video, give it a thumbs up.